growing old, what are some of your concerns? What are some of your fears? Do you get better or bitter? Like, you know, my generation them to contact the whole of me something them from me. That's bitter. Come share your views with us now on Saturday morning mornings. The girls and myself.
We couldn't agree with you more, Jacqui. Especially fear, uncertainty, health, well-being, and family. These are the big concerns that weigh heavily on the minds of those growing older. But here's the good news. Join us live this Saturday, December 14 at 10 a.m. inside of the Zone on YouTube for an insightful conversation that will offer powerful nuggets to guide and inspire you on this journey. We're bringing you wisdom, encouragement, and practical tips to navigate the realities of aging with grace, confidence, and peace of mind. A Satideh, come talk with Jacqui, Shernette, Max, and Lady D.